Question. When the consent of a party is not free, the contract is option void, voidable, valid, illegal. Voidable. Which of the following is false? An acceptance. Options must be communicated, must be absolute and unconditional, must accepted by a person having authority to accept, may be presumed from the silence of offeree. May be presumed from silence of offeree. In case of illegal agreements, the collateral agreements are valid contract, voidable contract, none of these. Void contract. A proposal, when accepted, becomes a promise, contract, offer, acceptance. Promise. Question. Which of the following statement is true? Option. Consideration must result in a benefit to both parties. Past consideration is no consideration in India. Consideration must be adequate. Consideration must be something which a promiser is not already bound to do. Answer. Consideration must be something which a promiser is not already bound to do. Which is the following is false? Consideration must move at the desires of the promiser, may move from any person, must be illusory, must be some value. Answer. Must be illusory. Question. Which of the following statement is false? Option. Generally, a stranger to a contract cannot sue. A verbal promise to pay a time-barred debt is valid. Completed gifts need no consideration. No consideration is necessary to create an agency. Answer. A verbal promise to pay a time-barred debt is valid. Consideration must move at the desire of promiser, promisee, any other person, any of these. Answer. Promiser. Which of the following statement is true? Options. There can be a stranger to a contract. There can be a stranger to a consideration. There can be a stranger to a contract and consideration. None of the above. Answer. There can be a stranger to a consideration. Consideration may be option past, present, future, all of the above. Answer. All of the above. Consideration in sample term means options anything in return, something in return, everything in return, nothing in return. Something in return. Question. Which of the following is not an exemption to the rule? No consideration, no contract. Options. Compensation for involuntary services, love and affection, contract of agencies, gift. Compensation for involuntary services. Question. Ordinarily, a minus agreement is void ab initio, voidable, valid, unlawful. Answer. Void ab initio. A minor's liability for necessaries supplied to him. Options. Arises after he attains majority age, is against only minor's property, does not arise at all, arises if minor gives a promise for it. Answer. Option B is against only minor's property. Question. Which of the following statement is not true about minor's position in a firm? Options. He cannot become a partner in an existing firm. He can become a partner in an existing firm. He can admitted only to the benefits of any existing firm. he can become partner on becoming a major. Answer, he can become a partner in an existing firm. Question, consent is not said to be free when it is caused by coercion, undue influence, fraud, all of these. Answer, all of these. When the consent of party is obtained by fraud, the contract is void, voidable, valid, illegal. Voidable. The threat to commit suicide amounts to coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation, fraud. Coercion. Moral pressure is involved in the case of coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation, fraud. Undue influence. Question, a wrong representation when made without any intention to deceive the other party amounts to options coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation, fraud. Misrepresentation. Which of the following statement is true? Option, a threat to commit suicide does not amount to coercion. Undue influence involves use of physical pressure. Ignorance of law is no excuse. Silence always amounts to fraud. Answer, ignorance of law is no excuse. In case of illegal agreements, the collateral agreements are options void, valid, voidable, any of these. Void. Question, an agreement, the object or consideration of which is unlawful is option void, valid, voidable, contingent. Void. Question, an agreement is void if it is opposed to public policy. Which of the following is not covered by heads of public policy? Options, trading with an enemy, trafficking in public offices, marriage brokerage contracts, contracts to do impossible acts. Answer, contracts to do impossible acts. Question, on the valid performance of the contractual obligations by the parties, the contract options is discharged, becomes enforceable, becomes void, none of these. Is discharged.